Welcome to day 11 to learn how to do realistic drawing with logo art. Now, how did this artist, my superstar from Nigeria, Kelvin Okafo, did this amazing, soft, realistic drawing? Now, he used just 3 simple steps. Yes, actually 2 is on camera, and I'm going to tell you the last one. Now, the first step he did is to build his layers very well, which most artists won't bring on camera. Do you understand? You need to learn how to build your layers very well. Now, after building his layers, then he used his charcoal, soft charcoal pencil. Now, in this case, if you don't know how to use charcoal, you can't use charcoal, you are not confident to use charcoal, go straight to use charcoal. I will advise you to use pencil, HB pencil. Do you understand? So he used the charcoal to do details, okay, dot on the skin. And this time around, when he was doing the details, he didn't press it too hard. Do you understand? It's not like other drawing or other skills or other style like how Arinze does his skill detailing. He didn't press it too hard. That's why how come his drawings are soft and things. He just did this dot slowly. Do you understand? Then when he finished, then he used eraser pencil. There's an eraser called eraser pencil. It's just like pencil. Do you understand? That's what he used to bring out his highlight. You used to shade the side of the dots. To shade the side of the dot. If you want this type of eraser and you don't know where to get it, I can get you some. It's very useful. If you have this eraser, it's very useful. Eraser pencil. Now these are the only step he did. He didn't do anything. It just 3 steps. The first step is to build his layers very well. The second step is to use his pencil, his charcoal pencil, to bring these dots. And the third one, which is the last one, you use the eraser pencil to shade the side of the dot he created with the charcoal pencil. Do you understand? Hope you like this video. Just type draw in the comment section. I'll be bringing you this every single day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now, this course is available on our website, logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now, this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.